Assalamualaikum. Can you hear me? Only raise your hand if you can hear me. That's great. That's great. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, all of you. How are you all? Fine? Okay, class, you can view the picture. Screen up. View हो रही है आपको? You can view it? Okay, done. We were doing chapter number 3, weather and climate. Weather is a day-to-day change, and climate is the long period. Climate changes take what the weather is like over long period of time in a specific area. Like if we have it 30 years time, long time, weather and climate are not the same. We have talked about weather. These were the weather words: sunny, rainy, foggy, and these all. And then we have studied this. Now you have to imagine on your right side, always right hand side, you will have east. On your west, G, right. Zainab, you are doing well done. Well done. All of you can do that. On your right hand side, we have east. On our left hand side, we have west. Directions, if we have to memorize the directions. On our head side, on top, we have always north. Always we have north on our head. On our feet, we have south. Is it clear? Always remember it. East on our right hand, west on our left hand. On our head or top, we have north. On our feet side, we have south. Okay? Ibrahim, are you getting? Okay, I will ask you later. Done? East, west, north side, south. Whenever we will talk about maps and globes, you have to memorize it. Okay, first we will take the concept of equator. Equators are the imaginary line. One line hai imaginary line from here to here, east to west. East to west. It is an imaginary line that is drawn at 0 degree latitude, which divide the earth. ये full क्या है? Earth है ना? This is earth. And this is equator line. It's equator line. It is dividing the earth into two halves. North pole वाली side पे जो half है, we call it northern hemisphere. And down bottom पे south pole की side पे जो half है, we call it southern hemisphere. ठीक है? Equator is an imaginary line that is dividing the earth into two halves. Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Clear हो गई है बात यहाँ तक? Equator is the line that is divided. Latitude की line है. Latitude की line आप इस तरह याद रखें अपने mind में, latitudes को लेती हुई line. कौन सी lines हैं जो लेती हुई हैं, जो बिल्कुल straight है, जैसे हमारे उर्दू की कॉपी में lines होती है ना, या हमारी SST की कॉपी में these lines, ये latitudes की lines हैं. Latitude की lines जो हैं वो east to west run कर रही होती हैं. These are horizontal lines. These are parallel lines. अगर हम उनको extend करें, we extend them, they never meet, used to measure the distance. ठीक है? Latitude की lines, if we want to travel around the world, we want to know that these lines, how these lines will help in world map. Then remember that these will help in finding distance, time and लोकेशन ऑफ अ प्लेस, कि आप कितने टाइम में कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करके किस प्लेस तक पहुंचोगे. ये लैटिट्यूड लाइंस आपको हेल्प करती हैं. ठीक है? मैनी स्टूडेंट्स हैव जॉइंड येट. मैं उनको दोबारा बता रही हूँ ये वाली पॉइंट्स, क्योंकि वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. आपको फिर आगे के कॉन्सेप्ट्स नहीं आएंगे. जी, on our right hand side we have east. On our left hand side we have west. On our north side, head side, on top, okay, we have north, and on bottom we have south. On our feet side, जी 2 persons हैं, मोहम्मद उस्मान असलम, Please turn on your camera. Mahmood Rayan, turn on your camera. Thank you. Thank you so much. The most important parts of latitudes, first equator, which I have discussed with you. Equator के बारे में तो all of you clear है? Confusion है? Ibrahim, this is really very bad. How you will get the concept? Stop eating while you are taking lecture. Hurry up, place it somewhere else. Thank you. Thank you so much. Gee, the most important lines are latitude lines. 5 lines है. First is equator. Second is Tropic of Cancer. Third one is Tropic of Capricorn. On this picture, look here. अब ये देखिए latitudes की lines हैं. 5 lines हैं. First one at 0 degree equator. Equator की top पे we have Tropical of Cancer. ठीक है. Above the equator we have Tropical of Cancer and Arctic Circle. Below the equator, we have Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. Ji Mubara, what you want to ask? Mubara, unmute नहीं हो रहा आपका बेटा. After a while, I will ask you, ठीक है? First deliver करने दें. Climate. It's not allowing me to mute or unmute. Abdullah Ayaz, turn on your video, please. Put your hands down. Put your hands down because अभी नहीं हो रहे unmute. G. Climate is an average weather condition of an area over a long period of time. If you have confusion on this picture, again I want to clear it too. G. In the middle, we have equator, which is dividing the earth in two halves, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Up northern hemisphere, we have two important lines, Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. In southern hemisphere, we have two important lines of latitude, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. Clear? Climate is an average weather condition of an area over a long period of time. It can be like 30, very bad. Who is? G, we have studied directions. On our right hand, we have east, left hand, we have west. On our head, we have north. On our feet, we have south. Clear to all of you? Then we have studied equator. Equator is an imaginary line on the center of the earth, which is dividing the earth into two parts. Northern hemisphere, topmost is northern hemisphere, and in the bottom, we have southern hemisphere. Latitudes are the line which are running from east to west. These are the horizontal lines. These are the horizontal lines. Parallel lines that they never meet. Okay, Zoha, give me 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Can you hear me?
टीचर आपकी आवाज थोड़ी कट कट कर आ रही है।
कट कट कर आ रही है।
यस
अब आपको आ रही है आवाज? कैन यू हियर मी नाउ?
यस टीचर आप ठीक हो गई।
शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
पहले अजीब सी
Okay.
आ रही थी।
Let's continue. Latitudes are the line that are running from east to west. These are the parallel lines. Whenever we extend them, they never meet. Points of latitudes are 5. Okay, 5 lines of latitude are really very important. The center one is equator. The center one is equator. And if we look here, on the top we have Tropic of Cancer. Equator के top पे we have Tropic of Cancer, and below the equator we have Tropic of Cancer, Capricorn. These 5 lines are really very important to understand the climate. Climate is an average weather condition. ठीक है, जैसे आपकी average हम लेते हैं ना, जैसे Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 5 days हो गई. 5 days के weathers लेंगे, weather के temperature की measurement लेंगे, then we will divide on 5. ठीक है बच्चे, long term की temperature climate की average होगी, जैसे 30 years. Let's suppose for 30 years they are taking the average. Then the climate is an average weather condition over a long period of time. There are various factors that affect the climate of one place, like sunshine. Sun will get energy, temperature will be higher, rainfall से क्या होगा? If the rainfall will be on the specific area continually for longer time, precipitation high हो जाएगी, ठीक है, आपके टेम्परेचर लो हो जाएगा. Moisture, wind, water, altitude is basically height from the sea levels. We calculate the altitude कि सी लेवल से आपकी हाइट लैंड की जितनी बढ़ती जाएगी, जैसे नॉर्दर्न एरियाज है पाकिस्तान, तो वो ज्यादा कूलर होते जाएंगे एरियाज. ठीक है, देयर आर 3 जनरल टाइप्स ऑफ क्लाइमेट ऑन द अर्थ: polar, temperate and tropical. Polar, temperate and tropical, if we have to understand it, first look over here. The areas which are near the equator, the areas which are near the equator are hottest places on the earth. Why they are hotter places? Because look, if there is a sunlight over here and the sun is falling their light over there, then 90 degrees पे होगी, low distance होगा. I want to share a screen with you. Okay. Give me 1 minute. Can you view this page? Okay, done. Look here. Here is an equator. Above the equator areas, which have altitudes, are 330. Look here. Can you view this all? Sun and equator. When the sunlight shortest distance होगा, here, when the sun को travel light यहाँ तक जब पहुँचानी होगी, ये हमारी अर्थ है, this it's earth, it's sun. When sun has to give light to the equator, the shortest distance here near the area near the equator will have shortest distance and will be hotter. Hottest होंगे ना obviously, and the area on our north and south pole, the sunlight has to travel long distance, then that's why the areas will be cooler. Is it clear? Clear है यहाँ तक? Point. मैं आपको अगेन आपको दिखा रही हूँ जी, यहाँ पे आपको शेयर हुई है स्क्रीन? अब हुई है शेयर स्क्रीन? ओके. The areas that are near the equator will have hottest weather. ठीक है, hotter climate होंगे वहाँ के. Why? Because the sunlight, because on equator sun rays fall at 90 degree, and on poles, since the sunrise fall on lower angles, यहाँ पे lower angles में वो होंगी fall greater, that's why वो glaciers भी reflect कर रहे होते हैं sunlight. जो north and south poles है ना, वहाँ पे poles के पास sunlight जो है वो reflect कर रही होती है glaciers के through भी. That's why these are polar areas or polar regions have cold climate, and the areas which are near the equator have hottest climate. Clear हुई है बात? Sunlight take long paths to reach to the poles, so atmosphere particle absorb it, and that's why it will not be hot, it will be the colder. Is it clear now? Now if we will, ये जो पिंक पार्ट आ रहा है ना आपको शो हो रहा है ट्रॉपिकल वाला, ये इक्वेटर के नियर है एरियाज. दिस विल बी द हॉटेस्ट एरियाज ऑन द अर्थ, और ये 2 सीजन्स करते हैं. ओनली दे हैव 2 सीजन्स, वेट एंड ड्राई. The people who are living in tropical regions will have only 2 seasons, wet and dry, and temperate पे. Second, ये green जो आपको show हो रहा है ना, temperate climate जिनका होगा, they will have 4 seasons. They will enjoy 4 seasons. Moderate climate होता है यहाँ पे temperate में, और they will have 4 seasons like we have. In Pakistan we have 4 seasons. Arctic region और ये वाले polar regions ये coldest होते हैं. These are the coldest regions and only have coldest nights and days. Clear? Polar or cold Arctic regions have colder. Tropical regions में hot humidity होती है, high precipitation rate होता है, high rainfall होती है. That's why they have only 2 seasons, wet and dry. Look here, this is the line of equator and this is line of Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. If we have to define the tropical climate region, then we will say that Tropic of Cancer, so it starts and it ends till Tropic of Capricorn. If we have to take the temperate region, then it will be the region between the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle, and Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle will be the temperate climate, will have temperate climate. Anyone who wants to ask the question? Okay, Abdul Subhan. Ji, unmute yourself.
Assalamualaikum dear.
Walaikum salam.
जी मैंने पूछना, आपने कहा था कि आप ढूंढेंगी द ब्राइट।
जी मैंने स्टार ढूंढा हुआ है. Don't you worry. In our question answer sessions at the end of the class we will have a discussion on the stars. Done? जी. Ibrahim, you want to ask a question?
टीचर आपकी आवाज भी लैग हो रही है और ये जो आपने स्क्रीन शेयर की हुई है ना, इसका जो माउस है और इसकी जो स्क्रीन है ये भी स्टक हो रहा है.
अभी भी स्टक हो रहा है?
You know.
Okay, done. Thank you. जी different seasons पे आ जाएं. How many seasons we have in Pakistan?
4.
4. Okay, we were discussing it tomorrow too. Yesterday we were discussing winter, summer, autumn and spring. If we talk about summer, we all know that it is the hottest season and it begins from April and lasts till June. Summer is usually complete by monsoon. Rainy season आ जाता है ना after that, और rainfall जिसे आप कह लेते हैं. अब आजकल जैसे we have July, it is a rainy season. It starts from July and ends at August. Coldest season is winter. We all know that, and it begins from December and lasts till February. Autumn is the shedding of leaf begins in autumn and it starts from September and till November we have autumn. Spring is the season in which flower blooms and leaves grow. हम सब enjoy करते हैं ना spring season.
Yes.
Plants हमें देखने को मिलते हैं बहुत सारे और बहुत सी चीजें. New flowers bloom. It starts in March and it lasts till April. ठीक है जी. पहले मैं आंसर दे दूं क्वेश्चन का या we will go further for exercise. This page is really very important in your book. It has different concepts like axis. We all know that Earth is moving on its own axis. ये ऊपर axis आ रहा है ना. We have learned in chapter number 1 about some imaginary lines like the axis. They are talking about this. Equator के बारे में I have told you. Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic सर्कल्स और ये सारे हमने डिस्कस किए हैं. इसमें कोई कंफ्यूजन हो इस पेज को प्लीज अच्छी तरह रीड कीजिएगा. This is page number 12 of your book. If anyone will have any question, we will inshallah resolve it. ठीक है? 10 minutes we have. Open exercise. Day to day condition, what we call, only raise your hand. Yeah, we can do question answer session and we will do on next class.
I have done, teacher.
You have done?
Yes.
Okay, Abdul Subhan.
Okay, can I show you?
Oh, it's fine. Okay, you can skip it right now and first मैं आपको बताती हूँ what you have in your homework in page number 16.
Yes. Question number 2.
Question number 2. Can you tell what kind of clothes are worn in summer and winter? Answer in the boxes. Is it clear?
Yes.
ये समर और विंटर की क्लोथ्स हैं. यू हैव टू राइट. लोअर पे आपके पास समर एंड विंटर है ना. अब आपने अपने पास से लिखने हैं. जैसे समर में आप शॉर्ट्स पहनते हैं, टी शर्ट, फ्रॉक, सनग्लासेस, सैंडल्स. ठीक है? And in summer, hat, long shoes, coat, sweater, gloves, mufflers, jacket. You will do it in your homework on your own. Clear? नेक्स्ट पेज पे आ जाए. पेज नंबर 17 पे. मैच द एनिमल्स विद क्लाइमेट. यहाँ पे आपने क्लाइमेट के पोलर बियर है. वेयर इट विल लिव. रेज योर हैंड्स. रेज योर हैंड्स. मुबर्रा एंड जैनब. जी जैनब.
Teacher, polar bear with polar land.
Very good. Polar bear with polar land. G. Desert. Who will tell? Abdullah Ayaz. I am unmuting you. Abdullah Ayaz. Abdullah Ayaz, answer me. Unmute yourself. G.
Yes, teacher.
G. Camels. Where do camels live?
Desert.
Desert. Very good. And fox, where it lives? Who will answer?
Yeah. What?
Who will answer?
Can I tell teacher?
Teacher, can I tell? Woodland.
Which animal?
Raise your hands. Muhammad Usman has and Zoha. Zoha, you will tell.
Teacher, fox.
Fox, where do fox live? Zoha?
Teacher, woodland.
Woodland. Excellent answer. Gee, woodland mein.
Huh?
Penguins. Who will tell?
Teacher,
Usman.
me.
Usman Aslam. Usman, turn on your video also.
Teacher, monkeys are
Gee.
in woodland.
Gee, and penguins, where do they live?
I know, teacher. I know.
Gee,
Teacher, polar land. Polar land.
polar land. Excellent, excellent. Gee.
And monkeys are live in rainland.
Rainforest. Gee, very true, very true. Done. Anyone who has any issue on this?
No.
No, matching is done. हमारी वो रह गई है 2-4, वो भी हम कर लेंगे नेक्स्ट लेक्चर बिकॉज आई समर एंड विंटर ऑटम बनाने हैं. जी इमरान, गिव मी 1 minute. Unmute yourself.
Yeah, my name is Abdul Subhan. टीचर वो
You
मेरे
are-
को इंटरनेट चला गया था इसलिए मैंने फिर मोबाइल से कनेक्ट किया.
ओके
टीचर मैंने कहा
जी,
था
यहाँ पे
हमारा होमवर्क किया है.
ये
ठीक है,
सारा
थोड़ा
होमवर्क है ना,
कौन
ये
कौन से
वाले सारे
पेजेस?
पेजेस 15 को लीव कर दें. वी विल डू नेक्स्ट क्लास 16 पे. 16 and 17 we have done together. And 18 पे you have a table. ये days वाला the weather and the highest temperature. weather पे आप क्या लिखेंगे? sunny है, cloudy है, rainy है. what's the weather? Is it okay?
16,
and
17
highest
and
temperature पे
16, 17 and 18.
जी जी.
And question answer we will
weather
do.
पे आप लिखेंगे sunny rainy है and highest temperature में you will write the temperature of the day. Monday आपको next week आ रही है ना ईद वोकेशन.
Yes.
आपने मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे थर्सडे फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे का वेदर टेम्परेचर लिखना है और वेदर लिखना है सनी है, क्लाउडी है, कैसा है. सोहा, वेयर आर यू? आई एम अनम्यूटिंग यू बिकॉज आई वांट टू गिव यू
Teacher,
आंसर.
this video is not on YouTube.
Yes, teacher.
जी, you can get it from YouTube also.
Yes,
Soha,
teacher.
I want to see you.
Yes,
Your
teacher.
face. Gee, Zoha, we were discussing about previous chapter, page number 10. You were saying that continent you have written is Africa.
Teacher, South Africa.
Nahi, continent is Africa, na? And name of the country you have written South Africa.
Yes.
Then what is the capital city? Be quiet, all of you class. Give me 1 second. Gee, capital city what you have written on that?
Teacher, आप Egypt लिखा है.
इजिप्ट लिखा है. नहीं नहीं, कैपिटल तो फिर देखिए ना, अगर इफ यू विल राइट नेम ऑफ द कंट्री साउथ अफ्रीका देन यू कैन राइट केप टाउन.
No,
3
teacher.
कैपिटल्स हैं
No.
साउथ अफ्रीका के.
teacher, मैंने कंट्री इजिप्ट लिखा है और सिटी मैंने कायरो लिखा है.
ओके, इफ यू विल राइट दिस तो ठीक है. जैसे आप कह रही थी ना कि यू कैन राइट साउथ अफ्रीका इन द प्लेस ऑफ इजिप्ट, तो फिर आपने कैपिटल सिटी यू विल चेंज.
टीचर मैंने
Capital
इजिप्ट
city.
लिख लिया है.
ओके, डन, फाइन. लेकिन देखिए ना, क्योंकि कॉन्टिनेंट तो सेम है. वन कॉन्टिनेंट है कैन हैव मेनी कंट्रीज and those countries have their own capital. If you will write the name of the country then the capital city will also change. South Africa करोगे तो वो केप टाउन हो जाएगा. जी, नेक्स्ट रेज योर. किनका क्वेश्चन था? स्टार्स का. अब्दुल सुभान, आई एम अनम्यूटिंग यू. ठीक है जी बेटा. देखिए स्टार्स के बारे में मैं आपको अगर डिटेल बताऊं ना, स्टार्स ये हैं कि हमारे कुछ स्टार्स आर बिगर बट दे आर फार अवे फ्रॉम द अर्थ. दैट्स व्हाई वो हमें स्मॉल शो हो रहे होते हैं. ठीक है, सम स्टार्स जो है वो बिग है इन साइज, लेकिन बिकॉज द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द अर्थ इज हायर और लॉन्ग है, दैट्स व्हाई वो हमें शो स्मॉल ही हो रही होती है. ठीक है, ब्राइटेस्ट स्टार जो है वो सीरियस है. ब्राइटेस्ट स्टार कौन सा है? सीरियस है. ये इसकी पिक्चर है जी, सीरियस.
Can you wait?
यो बिगेस्ट भी यही है.
नो सोनू, लार्जेस्ट स्टार जो है ना, लार्जेस्ट स्टार वो है UY Scuti. इसको हम कैसे प्रोनाउंस करेंगे? UY Scuti.
ये दोनों ही
Excuse me,
आएंगे.
teacher.
Scuti. हाँ जी, UY Scuti. ये दिस इज आवर बिगेस्ट स्टार. क्योंकि जो आप बात कर रहे थे ना सीरियस की, वो हमारे पास है 25.4 times bigger than the sun, but this one is 1700 times larger than the sun. That's why this is the largest star. UY Squidgy and Sirius is brightest star. ठीक है?
Excuse me, teacher.
जी. Okay, class कितनी देर हमारे पास टाइम है, हम उस पेज को कर लें फिर?
Yes, teacher.
We can do page number 15 together.
Okay.
The date. Open your page number 15.
Teacher, I've done all.
I have
That's
also.
excellent, excellent. Let's tally together.
Can you show?
जी can I know all the answers.
You can view my picture. आपको हुई है ना show? Share screen पे, yes.
Teacher, can I show you?
Like we can do together.
Okay.
Okay, those Ibrahim and Muhammad Usman Aslam, turn on your videos, please. Please, students, turn on GG.